Okay. Hello, I'm Jon.
And I am Bogdan.
We are from eematico and we are going to show to you how to assemble the eematico stamp press. First of all, a few words of warnings. This is not a toy for children below 3 years of age. It should be assembled with the help and under the supervision of an adult. You should not leave the pieces or the glue unsupervised. There is glue inside. It has sharp edges, so you have to mind them because they are moving. And also, don't let your kids put the pieces in their mouths. Finally, if you get bored of it, please consider donating it before throwing it out. And now, let's see what's in the box. Okay. This is a leaflet of warnings and other information you might find useful. A strip of felt. This is the base plate of the stamp press. A model for the stamp. The polyvinyl glue. A brush for the glue. Some sandpaper. And then we have two separate plates, and we are going to show you now the pieces that you have there. There is a screw, a nut, two washers, a spigot, and then we will start popping out the pieces. You have two spacers. These are lockers you might use to put the stamp on. That's about it. And then we have the pieces important for the press. We have the arms of the press. The pillars. You have 3 of them.
And inside of the pillar we have another spacer.
Finally, you have the discs for the stamps and the articulation on the stamp arm.
Good.
Perfect. Okay. Okay, so what's the first step?
First of all, we have to glue some parts. So we take 2 spacers,
Okay.
the glue,
Okay. It's very important to give enough time for the glue to set in, so this is why we are doing this first.
and you don't have to use too much glue. You used already too much. So we give it 1 minute. And now the stamp disc, you have to glue it like this. Okay. Like this.
So not too much glue. Okay.
And a little bit.
Okay.
And the stamp articulation as well.
Okay.
Just glue it here. Okay, what's next? You take the base plate.
Okay. A few words before we go on further. You will see that on the base plate and on all the pieces there are a lot of writings. There is also a schematic on how you should assemble the press arm. We are going to tell you about this, but anyway, you will also can see it on this here. For sure.
And we take the pillars.
Oh,
So we should try to glue them as well.
okay. Can I help you?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Glue one of them.
If you don't want to ruin your table, you can put a piece of paper underneath it.
You can glue the other one.
Okay. Is it okay? So no, here. Okay. It's in the middle. Okay, and the third one. Can I do it?
Yep.
Yeah. On the sides. Yeah, be ready to put the glue on the sides, not in the base. Yeah. Okay.
So
while we wait for the glue to set in,
we can put the arms. Now, take the screw.
Okay.
And we have to be very patient right now.
There are also fun facts about levers on the arm. Okay.
I forgot to put something here.
Yeah, you first have to put a washer, and then at the end also you put a washer, and then you put the in.
Okay. You have to let it a little bit loose. Okay, so it can move. Now we can take the spacers.
Okay.
Glue them on the exterior.
Now little hints here on the arm. You can see where the spacer goes.
Okay. Do you have it?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay, let's wait for it to set in again. Very great. Okay.
Now we take the stand. Before we put the stand here, we can also glue a piece of felt. Okay. For a model, we have felt.
The felt you have here is if you want at some point to change the model you're using for the stamp, you can just cut it out with some scissors. Okay. And this should go through here, right?
Right.
Okay. So as you can see, this is supposed to be teamwork, because otherwise it's complicated if you do it just alone. Okay.
So that's pretty much about it. Now we can just use a little bit of color here. Green.
Interesting. I thought that
Is green.
yellow was your favorite color.
It is. That I used to be.
How much paint should we put on?
Not too much. We have to let it soak a little bit.
Okay. And then you can use one of the lockers to apply. So you see, this works like a second degree lever. Let's turn it around. Okay. Yeah. And you apply the force here, and then you have your result on the rest of the locker.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's about it. Also, we would like to thank you and to invite you to see other films we have on our YouTube channel. Perhaps subscribe and visit our website and our Facebook page. Thank you very much.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.